Hey guys, it is August the 3rd, 2009, and today we have an unboxing, 2 packages in the mail, and I think I have an idea what these are. I'm gonna try to learn how to play the guitar, so it might be some guitar books, cause they are really thin, so I think that's what it is. Let's get to the unboxing. Let's start off with the little one here. It has a little pull tab on the back right here, and we're just gonna pull that to open the package. Oh, yep, it is a book. Here it is. It's the System of a Down Mesmerize guitar tabs. And here it is. There's BYOB. Yep. So let's set that aside. Now let's get to this package. It kind of has like a pull tab in the middle. I'm not sure if we're supposed to use that. Let's just get the knife and cut it. And it's there we go. It's the Guitar for Dummies 2nd edition. This will teach you how to play the guitar and everything. There's a CD inside here. Here it is. And yeah, guys, that was it. Just a little quick unboxing. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.